Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering ingredients. 4 cups tomato soup, 1 tablespoon curry powder, 1/2 cup coconut milk, 1 tablespoon oil, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 2 cloves garlic, 1 inch ginger, and 1 medium onion. Chop the onion fine, mince garlic, and grate ginger so flavors release evenly. If you like heat, add 1/2 teaspoon chili flakes or 1 small chopped green chili. Keep measured spices in small bowls to streamline the stove work and prevent oversalting. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a medium pot over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and cook until translucent, about 5 to 7 minutes. Add the minced garlic and grated ginger, stirring 1 minute, then sprinkle 1 tablespoon curry powder to bloom the spices and release aroma. Pour in 4 cups tomato soup, bring to a low simmer, and cook about 10 minutes to deepen flavor. Finish by stirring in 1/2 cup coconut milk. Adjust salt to 1 teaspoon, and simmer 2 to 3 more minutes for a smooth, balanced curry base. If you prefer a silky texture, blend half the soup with an immersion blender, then return it to the pot to combine. Taste carefully. Add 1 teaspoon sugar if the tomatoes are too acidic, adjust salt by small pinches, or squeeze 1/2 lemon for brightness. Balance is key. Reheat gently and stir in optional vegetables or cooked chickpeas for protein. Serve the tomato soup curry hot over steamed rice or with warm naan. Garnish with chopped cilantro and a drizzle of coconut milk for contrast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.